I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast. Happy Tuesday to you. Beautiful afternoon across the region with a mix of sun and clouds and more of the same as we head through the next several days. Before we get to the forecast, though, for you stargazers out there, something that we'll only see this one time in our lifetime, won't happen for another about 100 years or so, is the transit of Venus. What that is Venus is actually going to pass in between us and the sun. Don't look with your naked eye, but you're going to be able to check that out. Best way to do it probably is if you check any of the links on my Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus accounts. There's a link to a live stream where they'll have a telescope and you'll be able to see Venus passing right by the sun. But it's going to happen here locally at 4:45 and continue until the overnight tonight. Of course, though, we'll only see it until sunset, which is at 8:27 this evening. So something to check out if you're a stargazer out there. And we'll have a mix of sun and clouds, so we might be dodging a lot of clouds here and there. Not optimal viewing possibly here across our region as you take a look as we record this at 3:30 in uptown Normal. Again, more clouds than sun. And same thing goes in downtown Peoria, looking the same way as well on our Farmers Insurance Cam. But we are warmer than yesterday, thanks in part to no rain across the region. And we are seeing those clouds starting to roll on in across the area. A little bit of rain out into Iowa and Wisconsin. That's really about it. And high pressure settling in and stalling everything out across central Illinois. 77 in Peoria and 76 in Bloomington. A little warmer down in Havana at 84 and 78 in Macomb. And again, about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday here in the city and in Bloomington. But again, we had a lot of rain to deal with and those winds coming in out of the north and east, keeping a refreshing breeze across our area. 69 in Chicago, 72 Indy, warmer out west. That warmer air will be heading our direction, but not until later this weekend. Very quiet weather going on right now. A few wind advisories out in the plains. A couple of severe weather issues right now in Montana with a severe thunderstorm watch box and a tornado watch box. Other than that, everything is relatively quiet. And again, a very stalled out weather pattern over the next several days with high pressure off towards our north, blocking everything from coming into the Midwest. So we'll keep it with mostly sunny skies and pleasant temperatures through much of this week. No real good rain chances in the long term here, probably until the beginning of next week. And again, that nice flow from the north and east will keep our temperatures down through at least the midweek. We'll see the wind shift a little bit as we head into, it looks like, Thursday and more specifically Friday and heading into the weekend as well. Long-range pattern, again, we have a bit of a dip in the jet stream, which is bringing those cooler temperatures with that blocking high to our north and east. But the ridge will build out west, and that will allow for the warmer temperatures to slide in by the weekend. Models right now saying 77 tomorrow, 79 Thursday, 82 Friday, mid to upper 80s for Saturday and Sunday. And our next rain chance comes in, it looks like, on Monday and Tuesday of next week. That'll do it for this weather webcast on your Tuesday afternoon. We'll have updates on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us for WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great evening.